Hello my dear students, welcome to the Sunrise Education. So in previous class we learnt noun. So part speech, first one was noun, second we read verb. Okay, so let us learn verb. So what is verb? Write down verb. Verb means क्रियापद. क्रियापद आम क्या कहबा ओडिया रे आम क्रियापद क्या कहबा ना आम जो काम करछे सेटा हला क्रियापद. जेकोसी काम आम करछे मु बर्तमान पढ़ौछि तुमे पढ़ुछ तोर माँ रोषे करुछंती बापा टीवी देखुछंती तुम भौणी पाठ पढ़ुछि. ये पढ़ा पढ़ाइबा देखिबा खेलिबा नाचिबा कूदिबा ये सब गुड़ाक है क्रियापद. जो काम करछे आमे सेटा हला क्रियापद. एक्शन वर्ड्स. सो व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ वर्ब? वर्ब रो संज्ञा कौन? द डेफिनेशन ऑफ वर्ब. सो राइट डाउन वर्ब इज ए वर्ड. Verb is a word which says something about the noun or pronoun. Noun or pronoun. Hence it is a doing word. Doing word. That means it does some work. Okay, so it is the definition of a verb. क्रियापदर संज्ञा. So verb is a word which says something. क्रियापद गोटे शब्द जे कि किछि ना किछि कहे. which says something about the noun or pronoun. विशेष्य पद बा सर्वनाम पद विषय किछि ना किछि कहे. क्रियापदटा विशेष्य पद विषय बा सर्वनाम विषय किछि ना किछि कहे. वर्ब इज ए वर्ड व्हिच सेज समथिंग अबाउट द नाउन और प्रोनाउन. हेंस इट इज ए डूइंग वर्ड. तेणु ये गोटे करवा शब्द को बुझाए. काम करवा शब्द को बुझाए. हेंस इट इज ए डूइंग वर्ड. दैट मीन्स इट इज डज सम वर्क. तार अर्थ है यह किसी काम करे. ओके, दैट मीन्स इट डज सम वर्क. यह किसी काम करने को बुझाए. एग्जाम्पल आई एम टीचिंग. मु पढ़ाऊँच. द टीचर इज टीचिंग. यू आर स्टडिंग. तुम्हें पढ़ुछ. यू आर स्टडिंग. You are studying. They are playing. They are playing. Father is watching TV. Father is watching TV. So like this we can take many examples of verbs. So here teaching मु बर्तमान पढ़ाऊँ. स्टडिंग, टीचिंग, स्टडिंग, प्लेइंग, वाचिंग, दीज आर verbs. verb क्रियापद. ओके, मु किछि काम करछि. बर्तमान मु पढ़ाऊँ. तुमे पढ़ुछ. से माने खेलुछंती. बापा टीवी देखुछंती. द सन इज शाइनिंग. सूर्य किरण देउछि. द विंड इज ब्लोइंग, पवन बहुछि, द birds are flying. So like this we can take so many examples of verbs. Okay, next verb is divided into two parts. Verb दुई भाई व्यक्त करदे। फास्ट इट इज ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब, ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब और हेल्पिंग वर्ब, साहाय्यकारी क्रिया। ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब। सेकेंड मेन वर्ब, मुख्य क्रिया मेन वर्ब। ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब एंड मेन वर्ब. Auxiliary verb is divided into two parts. It is divided into two parts. Primary auxiliary, primary auxiliary, and modals. Auxiliary verbs, primary auxiliary verb or helping verbs. Already we have learnt it. So primary auxiliaries, साहाय्यकारी क्रिया. There are 24 auxiliary verbs. Is, am, was, were. Is was been, am was been, are were been, have had, has had, do did done. Modals can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might. Okay, that are primary auxiliaries. Primary auxiliary, be verb. It is also called a be verb or have verb. Primary auxiliaries is, am, are, was, were, were, have, has, had, do, did, done, etc. These are primary auxiliaries. प्राथमिक साहाय्यकारी क्रिया. ओके, इज, एम, आर, वाज, वेयर, हैव, हैज, हैड, डू, डिड, डन. प्रेजेंट फॉर्म, पास्ट फॉर्म. इज वाज बीन also, बीन V3 of is was been, am was been, are were been, have had, has had, then do did done. So these are primary auxiliaries. Then modals can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might. V2 form, may, might, must, must, need, need, dare, ought, ought. Okay, these are modals. Can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might, must, need, dare, ought, or to, at. So these are auxiliary verbs. There are 24 auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs divided into two parts: the primary auxiliary and the modals. Primary auxiliary and modals. Okay. Next, main verb. Main verb: go, play, eat, write, climb, swim, see, look, etc. So these are the main verbs. Okay? Go, play, eat, write, climb, swim, see, look, etc. So first verb is divided into two parts: auxiliary verb and main verb. Next, read. Main verb is divided into two parts. Main verb, strong verb and weak verb. According to object cases, that is the transitive verb and intransitive verb. Transitive verb and intransitive verb. Strong verb and weak verb. It is also two parts according to the tense form. According to tense form, it is also into two parts. First, strong verb. Strong verb, weak verb. Weak verb, दुर्बल क्रिया. सबल क्रिया, दुर्बल क्रिया. Okay? Strong verb and weak verbs. The verb, strong verb. The verbs which changes. The verbs which changes into past form. Past or past participle form. Past or past participle. V3, V2 and V3 tense form. Past and past participle forms. The verbs which changes into past or past participle forms without. Okay, the verbs which changes into past or past participle forms without d, ed or t. D, ed or t, they are known as strong verb. Without d, ed, t. द पास्ट फॉर्मटा जो V2 V3टा से डी इडी टी आड होना से क्षेत्र में आमर आसटा हूँ स्ट्रंग वर्ब. स्ट्रंग वर्ब हेलो सेक सुक सेकेंड आम कहे सेक हलैबा V2 सेक सुक सेकेंड ड्रिंक ड्रंक ओके. शेक shook, shaken. Drink drunk, drank. Do did done, do did done. Go went gone, go went gone, go went gone. Then forget, forgotten, forget. Forget means भूली ଯିବା. Forget, forgot, forgotten. Forget, forgot, forgotten, forgotten. ଭିତରେ forget ଭୁଲି ଯିବା. Forgive, forgave, forgiven, forgive କ୍ଷମା କରିବା. Forgive, 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 forgave, forgiven, forgiven. Forbid ମନା କରିବା. Forbid, forbade, forbidden. Forbid, 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 forbade, forbidden, forbidden. DDEN, forbidden. Okay. Forget, forgot, forgotten, forget भूली ଯିବା. Forget, forget, forgot, forgotten. ଭିତରେ forgive, forgave, forgiven, forbid, forbade, forbidden. Then come, came, come, came, came, come, came, came, come. Bind, bind, bind ବାନ୍ଧିବା. ଯେକୌଣସି ଜିନିଷ ବାନ୍ଧିବା. Bind, bound, bind, bound, bound. Bind, bound, bound. So there are many examples of strong verb. Strong verb. It's a past tense changes without d ed t. Past tense टा d ed t रे आसीबो नाही. Okay. Forbid, forbade, forbidden. Come, came, come. Bind, bound, bound. Then weak verb, दुर्बल क्रिया. सबल क्रिया, दुर्बल क्रिया. Write down weak verb. Weak verb. The verbs which changes or which change, verbs plural, the verbs which change into past form with d ed t और past form टा d ed t add करे जो v2 v3 होउछि. The verbs which change into past form with d ed t are called weak verb. Weak verb, दुर्बल क्रिया. Weak verb. Okay. Example. So climbed, CLIMB, climbed, CLIMBED, climbed. ed add hela CLIMBED, climbed. Reached, reach, RECH, reached. पहुँचले, रिच माने पहुँचवा. रिच, reached, reached. Then arrive, arrived, arrived, arrive, A-R-R-I-V, arrive, arrived, arrive, arrived, arrived, arrive, arrived, arrived, combine, combined, combined, combine, 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 combined, combine, combined, combined, learn, learnt, learnt, learn, शिखा आम जो शिखुचे लर्न LERN लर्न तार V2 लर्नट LEARNT लर्नट लर्नट RNT इडी भी आड हो पार लर्न लर्नट लर्नट दुई प्रकार हो पारे लर्न लर्नट लर्नट लर्न लर्नड लर्नट इडी आड हो पार लर्नड LEARNED लर्न लर्नड लर्नड okay. So these are weak verbs दुर्बल क्रिया the verbs which change into past form with d ed t with d ed t are called weak verbs जार past tense होची हमर v2 v3 होची जोटा चेंज हो जाउची climb climbed ed आटे हला climb climbed climbed reach reached reached arrive arrived arrived combine combined combined then learn learnt learnt so there are many examples of verbs weak verbs okay. Next to learn object of the verb object कर्मपद क्रिया सहित कर्म कर्मपद so object of the verb object of the verb example Ram eats a mango Ram eats a mango second I like these beautiful flowers beautiful flowers I like these beautiful flowers my father loves me they are playing in the field they are playing in the field okay. So here you know what is object कर्मपद कोटा कर्मपद तो राम इट्स ए मैंगो राम आंबटे खाए राम इज सब्जेक्ट इट्स वर्ब ए मैंगो है ऑब्जेक्ट इट इज ऑब्जेक्ट कर्मपद राम इट्स ए मैंगो so how we know that there is a object in the sentence when we ask a question with what or whom लगे कर जदि आम प्रश्न तैयारी करबा एवं तार उत्तर पाइबा से क्षेत्र में आम ऑब्जेक्ट पाई परिबा राम इट्स मैंगो राम आंबटे खाए सो व्हाट इट्स कौन खाए इट्स व्हाट इट्स व्हाट सब आम ऑब्जेक्ट पाइबा व्हाट आउ हुम ये दुटा नहीं कर प्रश्न पचारिबा ताले आम ऑब्जेक्ट जापर से बाकी ऑब्जेक्ट अच्छे कि ना राम इट्स ए मैंगो राम आंबटे खाए। इट्स व्हाट कौन खाए, कौन खाए ना ये मैंगो, ये मैंगो, ये मैंगो है ऑब्जेक्ट, मैंगो इज ऑब्जेक्ट। ओके, राम इट्स ए मैंगो। I like these beautiful flowers. I like these beautiful flowers. Like what? ମୁଁ कौन भल पाए, like what, like what ना like these beautiful flowers. Answer is these beautiful flowers. It is object, object beautiful flowers, beautiful flowers. ऑब्जेक्ट पाई जानिया पे हम सब बेले व्हाट और होम लगे करी प्रश्न तैयारी करिबा, से क्षेत्र में ऑब्जेक्ट अछि कि नहीं जान परिबा वाक्य रे। सो आई लाइक दिज ब्यूटीफुल फ्लावर्स, मु ये सुंदर फूल गुड़ी भल पाए। लाइक व्हाट कौन भल पाए, ब्यूटीफुल फ्लावर्स। सो ब्यूटीफुल फ्लावर्स इज ऑब्जेक्ट हियर। ओके, इट इज ऑब्जेक्ट। माय फादर लव्स मी, बापा मते भल पाती। हुम लव्स क्या भल पाती, फादर लव्स मी, लव्स हुम, लव्स हुम क्या भल पाती, मी। सो मी इज ऑब्जेक्ट, मी इज ऑब्जेक्ट, कर्मपद, कर्मपद। ओके, they are playing in the field, they are playing in the field, सन पड़िया रे खेलुछंती। playing, playing what कौन खेलुछंती, playing what, there is no answer, no answer। कौन खेलुछंती, फुटबॉल कि वॉलीबॉल सेटा थिले सेटा हमर ऑब्जेक्ट ही था। दे आर प्लेइंग इन द फील्ड, प्लेइंग व्हाट, सो देयर इज नो आंसर, सो देयर इज नो ऑब्जेक्ट इन दिस सेंटेंस। हियर नो ऑब्जेक्ट, कर्मपद नहीं, नो ऑब्जेक्ट। सो इन सम सेंटेंसेस, सम केसेस देयर इज नो ऑब्जेक्ट। ओके, दे आर प्लेइंग इन द फील्ड। So it is the object of the verb, object of the verb। क्रिया सहित कर्मपद, साधारणतः आमर क्रियापद पर वर्ब ऑब्जेक्ट आसूचे, ऑब्जेक्ट आम बसौचे। सो इन सम केसेस देयर इज नो ऑब्जेक्ट इन द सेंटेंस, केते क्षेत्र में वाक्य मान ऑब्जेक्ट न थाए। सिंपली से आई इट, मु खाए, आई इट, देयर इज नो ऑब्जेक्ट। ओके, देन वी कम to transitive verb and intransitive verb, transitive and intransitive verb। उड़िया रे आम कहे सकर्मक क्रिया, अकर्मक क्रिया। ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब, verbs, verb or verbs used with an object। the verbs used with an object is called a transitive verb, is called a transitive verb, transitive verb। सकर्मक क्रिया कौन ऑब्जेक्ट रो, जो बाकी ऑब्जेक्ट रोचे से ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब। वर्ब्स यूज्ड विथ एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज कॉल्ड ए ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब। एग्जांपल, I eat bread every day, I eat bread every day। ओके, I eat bread every day, ମୁଁ प्रतिदिन रुटी खाए। they play cricket, they play cricket in the field, पड़िया रे खेलती। दे प्ले क्रिकेट in the field. He plays badminton. He plays badminton in the evening. My mother loves me. My mother loves me. Me object, badminton, cricket, bread, these are objects. I like these flowers. I like these flowers. So always we have to ask a question with what and whom. When we ask a question with what and whom, if we get the answer, then we know that there is a object. I eat bread. Every day प्रतिदिन रोटी खाए. What? Eat what? कौन खाए? Bread. So bread is the object. They play cricket. So cricket खेलती. Play what? What? Cricket. So cricket is the object. Badminton is the object. My mother loves me. माँ मते भल पाती. My mother loves me. Loves whom? कहा को भल पाती? Loves whom? Question arises. कहा को भल पाती? ना me. Answer is me. So me is the object. Always we have to ask questions with what and whom. Then we get the object. Okay? I like these flowers. मैं फूल को भल पाए. Like what? Like what? कौन भल पाए? Flowers. So it is flowers object. So these are transitive verbs. Verbs used with an object. Verbs used with an object is called a transitive verb. Here transitive verb eat, play, love, like. There are many verbs. When you raise a question with what and whom, then you will get the object or the transitive verb. Eat, play, love, like. Okay, there are so many examples. Then intransitive verb. Intransitive verb. Intransitive verbs. Intransitive verb. Intransitive verb opposite. Transitive opposite है intransitive. Okay? Verbs used without. Verbs used without object. Object इथे व्यवहार करा जाउनी. Object जो बाकी object नहीं. That is intransitive verb. Verbs used without object. That is intransitive verb. Intransitive verb. उड़िया रे कहते अकर्मक क्रिया. Okay? Example. I eat. I eat mu खाए. So here there is no object. It is intransitive verb. Here it is intransitive verb. Eat. I eat. I sleep. I sleep. I go to school. I go to school every day. प्रतिदिन स्कूल जाए. Here there is no object. I go to school. I go. But what? whom ଆମେ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ କରିପାରିବା କି? ମୁଁ ପ୍ରତିଦିନ ସ୍କୁଲ ଯାଏ. Go what? କ'ଣ ଯାଅ? କାହାକୁ ଯାଅ? ଏମିତି ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ପଚାରି ପାରିବା ନାହିଁ. So it is intransitive verb. Here go is intransitive verb. Sleep is intransitive verb. It is intransitive verb. Okay. So we can take many examples of intransitive verb also. Okay. So today it was the class about verb. So did you know well? I hope you learned well. So you again practice it again and again, then you will confirm or learn the verb chapter well. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.